Hello, Pioneer. Did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comment PiNetwork to the moon. Check if you have clicked the subscribe button to Pi News World. Ooh, wowoo, Pioneer. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment on this video. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, most tokens are designed primarily as investment assets. However, PiNetwork, $PI, stands apart from the rest by prioritizing real-world utility over mere speculation. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that focus on trading and store-of-value functions, PiNetwork is building an ecosystem where payment serves as the primary means of circulation and a key driver of value. By doing so, PiNetwork aims to become the first truly global digital currency, one that is widely accepted, seamlessly integrated into everyday transactions, and used by millions worldwide. How is PiNetwork different? While Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as alternative financial assets, their widespread adoption as a means of payment remains a challenge. High transaction fees, long processing times and technical barriers have prevented most digital currencies from functioning as true alternatives to traditional money. PiNetwork seeks to change this by designing a system where $PI is not just a speculative asset, but a practical medium of exchange that fuels an entire digital economy. PI as a functional payment method. The core vision of PiNetwork is to create a cryptocurrency that can be used for everyday purchases, business transactions, and real-world applications. Instead of being stored in wallets as a passive investment, $PI is meant to circulate freely within an ecosystem that includes merchants, service providers, and users who recognize its value as a transactional currency. To facilitate this, PiNetwork is actively working to build partnerships with businesses and integrates its payment system into online and offline marketplaces. By encouraging real-world utility, PiNetwork aims to create an organic demand for $PI, ensuring its long-term sustainability. Mass adoption and global circulation. One of PiNetwork's most ambitious goals is to become the most widely used cryptocurrency in the world. Unlike many other blockchain projects that struggle to attract users, PiNetwork has successfully built a massive global community spanning over 230 countries. This widespread adoption is fueled by its unique mining mechanism, which allows users to earn $PI directly from their smartphones without the need for expensive mining equipment or excessive energy consumption. As a result, millions of users have joined the PiNetwork ecosystem, making it one of the most rapidly growing crypto communities in history. By ensuring that anyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial background, can participate in its network, PiNetwork is breaking down barriers to cryptocurrency adoption and bringing digital payments to a much broader audience. Traditional cryptocurrencies often face criticism for their complexity, making them inaccessible to the average person. PiNetwork addresses this challenge by offering a simple, mobile-friendly experience that enables users to engage with cryptocurrency effortlessly. Moreover, PiNetwork operates on a consensus mechanism that ensures security and decentralization, while avoiding the high computational costs associated with proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin. This not only makes the network more environmentally friendly, but also enhances its scalability, allowing for faster and more efficient transactions. The future of PiNetwork. As PiNetwork continues to evolve, it is positioning itself as a strong contender in the digital payment space. With an expanding ecosystem, increasing real-world utility, and a growing number of merchants accepting $PI as payment, the project is steadily progressing towards its goal of becoming a truly global currency. While many cryptocurrencies remain confined to speculative trading, PiNetwork is actively working to bridge the gap between digital assets and mainstream financial systems. If its vision materializes, $PI could emerge as one of the most widely circulated and practically used digital currencies in the world. The road ahead may still have challenges, but with its strong community, innovative approach, and commitment to real-world use cases, PiNetwork stands a chance to redefine how digital money functions in the modern era.